In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create flipbooks just like this using Canva. Let's go. I've built an ebook in Canva. So if you have one already, you can go directly to your designs and search for your ebook where you'll be able to later on turn it into a flipbook, okay? If you haven't, but you want to create an ebook, the easiest way is to go to templates, and then you type in ebook, and then you search for something that you like here in the Canva library. Let's say this one here fits your ebook idea. You can then just change some images and what is written. So this is a great way to start. Okay, just click there and then click on customize this template. And then, of course, when you do that, you'll be able to change images to make it your own, to write your own sentences here, okay? So this is just one way of starting out. I've already done that. So this is my ebook, the Canva Essentials. This is a way to start. It's like a Canva crash course, okay? You have also videos that are linked here. So in total, I have more than 60 pages that I worked on to have this ebook that I sell in my platforms. And now I want to turn it into a flipbook so I can display that in a more interesting way and send it to my emails or my social media to give it a different digital look to it, okay? So after you're done editing your ebook or your magazine, okay, you will go and click here on share and click here on see all. Then you scroll down, but really down till you find this tab here, design and Heyzine flipbooks. You go and click there. Now you're going to select the pages that you want to turn into a flipbook. In my case, I want to select all of them, the 62 pages. After that, you just click on OK and save. Now, Canva is saving your flipbook or is saving your design into a different platform called Heyzine Designs. After this is done, you're going to be able to see how it looks like in a different platform. Canva has just like a partnership with them, so it makes easy to kind of upload your design this way there. Now it's done and you can click here, view in Heyzine flipbooks. Sometimes it takes a while. Here you can go and check if you like it, if there is something missing, if there is something misplaced, and you can still go back to Canva and further edit it there. That's what I recommend. You kind of can still edit things here, but I prefer it to do the other way around, to go and edit stuff in Canva because it's way easier for me. Okay. So now after checking that, you probably want to share it, right? Here's a thing that you need to know about Heyzine ebooks or Heyzine flipbooks. In order to share, okay, you can share it via link, email, you can embed it in your website, you can share in social media, you can even share a QR code for people to scan and see your flipbook. I am already in my free account here, so let me tell you something about how Heyzine works. So in your free account, you can upload or you can connect from Canva to Heyzine up to 5 flipbook designs. So you can have 5 totally for free and they don't expire unless they're not used. So here's the thing. If people are seeing your flipbooks, they keep like stats data and they show that this flipbook is being used. So it's not going to be deleted. But in case it's been a year that nobody has accessed that link anymore, not even yourself, Heyzine deletes the flipbooks that are on the free accounts that haven't been used or clicked over a period of a year, okay? If you want to use the free version, just keep checking your flipbooks, okay? But there is also another thing. On the free version, you got the Heyzine logo the whole time, so you cannot change that. But they have a pro version that I can show to you. And here you can see their different pricing and what you get on the free version and what you get on the standard version. You have like unlimited flipbooks. If there's something that you want to offer to your clients, then maybe this is something worth paying for. If this is something also for you that you create lots of ebooks and you want to display them in this kind of cool, nice way, maybe that's worthy. Okay, you have to consider what is best for you. I just wanted to show that if you want to have like unlimited flipbooks and no watermarks, then you cannot go on free. But if you just want to promote a product or two or up to five in this way, and you don't mind having their logo displayed there, this is a nice and interesting way to test things out or to see how it works. I hope you like this. I think it is pretty cool. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them to you. See you in the next video.